How to post on Instagram with multiple photos. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to post on Instagram with multiple photos. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up Instagram, and on Instagram we always see that people post more than one photo. They have like 10 photos, 3 photos, and then we can like check them out by swiping. So how to add these photos, multiple photos, it's very easy to do. You just have to create a new post, and for that click on the plus button given at the bottom. It will open up your gallery, and then what you guys need to do is you will select the images. You can see we have the option select multiple right here. Click on select multiple and it will allow you to select up to 10 photos to add to Instagram. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and select like 4 photos. So I'm going to select this one, then this is going to be the third one. So these are going to be my photos. Now, just like we post on Instagram, you can go ahead and edit them out if you like. Then you're just going to select. If I open it up to give you a preview, this is what it will look like. You can see my Instagram post has 4 photos. Now I can add a caption, tag people, add location, different things, and then we can just select on check. And you can see finishing up, and my Instagram post will have multiple photos. You can see it has 4. You can add up to 10 photos like this. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.